If you have found this channel, it means you are healing. It's not a special day. It may not be your birthday or the start of the year, but today is the day you want to heal. Maybe you're tired too. Maybe you've spent so long surviving that you forgot what living feels like. Maybe you're rebuilding. Maybe you're resting. Maybe you're still trying to figure out who you are. I don't have answers. I'm not here to teach anyone how to be perfect. This is just a collection of ordinary days. Small victories, quiet moments. Things I'm afraid of. Things I'm learning. And letters to the person I am becoming. If you're finding your way too, you're welcome here. Eventually, Kanojo.